Hello everybody, it's nice to see you and thank you for coming back for your final maths lesson of the week. Today is Friday. Let's have a go at doing our counting to start with. Here we go. So counting 0 to 30, join in with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shall we have a go at playing tennis now? I'm going to let you start today and then I'll say the number after you. So remember, what's your first number? You're going to start with 0. Well done. So starting with 0, off you go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay, well done. Let's move on, shall we? And we're going to be thinking about one more again. All right, so here is the Numicon 4. So 1 more than 4 is 5. And there we are, just to check. Let's try this next one. 1 more than 3 is 4. There we are, just to show you that the 4 fits over the top. 1 more than 2 is 3. And there's the 3 to check. And finally, oh, what's this shape? Oh, I left that on for a bit too long, didn't I? Oh, did you get it though? Let's have a look. This shape is a triangle. Okay, so remember, triangles, they're not always the same length on each side. This triangle is a special triangle. And when you're a bit older, you're going to learn this is called a right angle triangle, because a right angle is a bit like a corner in a book. But a triangle always has 1, 2, 3 straight sides. And remember, they don't always have to be the same. Some can be short and some can be long. How many corners does it have though? It does have 3, well done. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 corners on a triangle. Okay, what's this next shape? And it's not going to be there for long. Here we are. Whoop. That was quick, wasn't it? Would you like to see it again? Here we go. There we are. Oh, and it's gone. Okay. So what was that shape? Shout it out for me. Really loud. What was it? Yes, because it's got 2 names, hasn't it? Here we are. It's this one here. It could be a rectangle. You can also call it an oblong, can't you? So this rectangle, this oblong, remember the one from yesterday? It was a big one that went this way, but they can stand up the other way as well. The things that you need to remember about a rectangle or an oblong, they've got 1, 2 short sides, and remember they are opposites. And they've also got 1, 2 long sides, and they are opposite as well. So we've got 1, 2, 1, 2. So we've got 2 and 2, and that makes 4. There are 4 straight sides, 2 short and 2 long. How many corners does it have? Can you remember? That's right, well done. There are 4 corners on there as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, and remember it will be there quick. Here we are. Oh, did you spot that one? One more time. There we go. What was the name of that shape? And how do you know? It was a circle. Well done. Here it is. Here's our circle. All right, and lots of people, sometimes people say it's a ball. Remember, this is a flat shape when we don't say a ball. It looks a bit like the sun as well, doesn't it? Because it's that lovely yellow. But what can you tell me about a circle? Does it have any corners? That's right, there are no corners on this circle because it's got a curved side that goes all the way around. Remember, it never starts or stops. It just keeps going and going and going, doesn't it? So it's got one curved side that goes all the way around. All right. How many are in this 5 frame? There are 3. How many in this 5 frame? There are 5. Remember, it's a full 5 frame. How many there? There are 2. Okay, well done. And how many? Oops. There we are. Oh, now I'm going to put some Numicon pieces on here, and I want you to think, are they the same or are they different? Remember, same or different. Okay, and I also want you to think, if they are the same, what is the same about them? If they're different, what is different about them all as well? Have a good think. I'll give you some thinking time. Here we are. Oh, so here's 3 Numicon pieces. Are they all the same or are they different? Did you say different? You're right, well done. They are all different, aren't they? But how are they different? Have a really good look at them. Who said that they were different colours? You can say they're different colours, can't you? They are different colours. When we're thinking about them in maths, though, we try not to think about colours. What else could you say? They are different sizes, aren't they? We've got a big one here. Then we've got a small one here as well, haven't we? Is there anything else? Have another look. Ooh. I've noticed that this one and this one have got sticky up bits, haven't they? So that's a bit like the same things for those two. But they're not the same, are they? No. I can see one more thing. They've got different numbers, haven't they? This is the 5, this is the 3, and this is the 1. So they've got different number holes. 5 holes, 3 holes, and 1 hole. So remember, when we're thinking about our maths, we always try to think about the numbers for it, or it could be about the size as well. Okay, so there we are. Let's have a look at this next one. I want you to look really closely. Are they the same or different? And what is the same and what is different? Keep thinking. Here we go. Are they the same or are they different? Shout it out. Did you say same? You're right. These ones are all the same, aren't they? We've got a yellow 3. We've got a yellow 3. We've got a yellow 3. They're all the same. They've got a sticky uppy bit. They're the same colour. And it's the same number of circles, isn't it? And remember, we're only trying to think about either the same shape, the same size, or it might be about the same number. We try not to think about the same colour, are we? Okay. Right, here's another one. See if you can do this by yourself. What do you think? Same or different? Shout it out. Did you say same or did you say different? They are all different, aren't they? What's this one? It's a 3. What's this one? It's a 4. And this one? It's a 2, isn't it? So we've got the different numbers on there, haven't we? And this, the size of this one is smaller than these ones. They're a bit taller, aren't they? All right, one more for you to think about. Have a look. Ooh. Am I tricking you? I am a bit, aren't I? What do you think? Same or different? Are they all the same? They're not all the same, are they? But 2 of them are the same, aren't they? The first one and the last one. What could you tell me about this one? Why is this one different? It is a different colour. Can you think of something else though? Remember, we're trying not to think about colours. It's different because it's got a sticky uppy bit. It's different because it's got one more, hasn't it? It's different because it's not the same number. We've got 4 and 4, but this one is 5. It's not the same number. It is a different number, isn't it? Well done. Now, I got this ready for when we were going to be in the classroom, and I was going to get you to work with a friend. So I'm sorry we can't do that. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some Numicon pieces on the board though. All right. And I want you to think, are they the same or are they different? Okay. So if they're different, how are they different? And I'd like you to try and use the words more or fewer or less. Here we are. Have a look at these 2 pieces of Numicon. Are they the same? Nope, they're not the same. They are different. Now, how are they different? And remember, are you going to need to use the word more or fewer or less? We've got 1. We've got 3. 3 is more than 1, isn't it? And 1 is less than 3. Or you could say 1 is fewer than 3. And let's just check those. Here we are. I am 1. I am less than 3. I am 3. I am more than 1. Okay. Now, we've got some dominoes. All right. If you've got some dominoes at home, you could do this one. I want you to find out how many spots there are all together. All right. So can you find someone, maybe if you've got a grown-up there, can you find someone with the same number, or try and find some that have got the same number on them? Okay. And I'd also like you to have a go if you've got some dominoes. All right. Or can you find some that have got more? And can you find some that have got fewer as well? It's a little bit trickier doing this one when you're at home, I know. Okay. All right. But you can have a go with doing some more of the other numbers. Or you could do it with some toys. You could put same groups of toys out. You could make some 2 groups, say which one's got more or which one's got fewer. I'm going to leave it there. It's the end of the week. So have a lovely weekend, and I will see you next week with some more lessons. All right. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.